Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I just want to talk about leads. A lot of agents I hear are paying for leads when they come to me for coaching. I almost always recommend that they quit doing that immediately. If it is your goal to work with buyers, then you'll never have to pay for leads as long as open houses are legal. So if you can book 3 in-office appointments from an average open house, wouldn't you have plenty of buyers to work with? They'd be area specific, they'd be price range specific, they'd be motivated because they're out looking at open houses at least. So I think that's going to be a better way for you to go. If you ever have any questions, go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our videos, give me a call if you think I can help you, and let me help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.